Hi everyone and welcome to Doc's Thoughts. So I'm just returning home from a weekend conference. I went to Florida to do a Botox and filler seminar for the weekend, which was super cool. And it was a really interesting experience for me. First of all, it's the first CME trip that I've done out of my home. So I've been doing a lot of lectures online. This is the first one I actually attended since COVID. So I forgot how exciting it was to be with like-minded individuals, people who want to learning new techniques and skills and things like that. So it was really, really cool. So take-home point is always remember to stretch your brain and learn new things. Second of all, it was an interesting experience because it's an aesthetics type conference. So it was a lot of RNs, estheticians, there was a couple MDs and plastic surgeons and things like that. So it was a different audience that I'm used to. I'm used to going to like emergency medicine conferences or integrative medicine or functional medicine conferences. So it's a little bit different. The lecturers were a anatomy professor from Mayo Clinic and a plastic surgeon from Montreal. So they're really experts in their field, which was so cool. And we spent the whole weekend, doing hands-on stuff and learning techniques and learning anatomy. But the whole point of the experience was beauty. So the whole point was how to make a person feel more beautiful and look more beautiful. Interesting concept. My major take-home point, other than learning some new skills, which were awesome, was really thinking about beauty in a different way, right? So as a lot of us want to feel more beautiful, right? That's just natural human nature. And what I've found with my patients and definitely with myself is that we can paint and change and lose the weight and do all these, put on the outfits, the style. We can do all these things to make ourselves feel more beautiful. But at the end of the day, if we're not beautiful inside, the beauty will not be there. And that's my whole point of this Doc's Thoughts. And so I'm super excited in my practice to be bringing this kind of an arm to the practice that we're going to be helping people with some of these aesthetic things. I look at these things as adjuncts or hacks to them already living a healthy lifestyle. But I'm also realizing that our main focus is really helping someone to learn how to feel beautiful and healthy from the inside out, right? And what does that take? It takes obviously a healthy body. So getting your body to its strongest, healthiest state to the best of your ability, recognizing that people have diseases and genetics and things that will prevent them from getting there, but optimizing you to the best of your ability, right? It's learning how to be happy in your own skin, having love inside of yourself, having love for people around you. That comes out externally as beauty. I mean, how often have you seen an angry person and how unbeautiful they look, right? Whereas a happy, authentic, healthy person can look pretty beautiful, right? It's being authentic, so it's being your true self. So beauty isn't about morphing everyone to look the same and getting everyone to wear the same outfit and do the same thing. It's shining your rock star within you and being authentic. How beautiful is that, right? Do you ever look at a rock star or like a famous person and say they're not beautiful? No. Are they beautiful because of the makeup they have on and the clothes they have on? No. Are they beautiful because that light that's inside of them is shining out like a radiant sunbeam? Yes, that's it right there. So that's another one of the concepts that I got to. So that was my takeaway from the weekend. It's kind of all over the place, but I hope you followed me a little bit here and there. I'll talk about it more as I go forward. But always remember, right? Whether you're trying to be beautiful or be happy or whatever your goal is, those are the things we should think about, and then the rest will naturally follow. So talk to you soon.